Ever gazed up at the night sky to witness the ethereal dance of the northern lights? Known scientifically as the aurora borealis, these shimmering curtains of light, usually green but occasionally red, yellow, blue, and violet, paint the polar skies with a luminescent glow, a sight that leaves spectators in awe and wonder. The northern lights are more than just a pretty show. They are a visual testament to the intricate and dynamic nature of our planet's relationship with the sun. The northern lights are born from the sun's activity. During solar storms, charged particles are ejected from the sun's surface, racing through space towards Earth. Upon reaching our planet, these particles interact with Earth's magnetic field, spiraling down towards the poles. As they collide with oxygen and nitrogen in our atmosphere, a dazzling light show erupts. This is the phenomenon we know as the Northern Lights. However, the spectacle is not visible to everyone. The Earth's magnetic field channels these sun-charged particles towards the poles, making the Northern Lights a predominantly polar event. Those located towards the equator, unfortunately, miss out on this natural light show due to the curvature of the Earth blocking the view. Additionally, light pollution from cities and towns can vastly diminish the visibility of the Northern Lights. For the best viewing experience, one must venture to dark, rural areas away from the glaring city lights. Furthermore, the occurrence of the Northern Lights is not a daily event. It requires just the right solar conditions and clear, dark skies. So, to witness the Northern Lights, you need a blend of the right location, ideal solar activity, and a dash of good old-fashioned luck. But when the conditions align, the sight is nothing short of breathtaking. In summary, the Northern Lights are a captivating spectacle, born from the interaction between solar particles and Earth's atmosphere. Primarily visible near the poles, the visibility of this phenomena is influenced by geographical location, light pollution, and solar activity. So, the next time you find yourself under a clear dark sky, far from city lights, take a moment to look up. You might just catch the ethereal dance of the Northern Lights,